Hi students, now we are discussing classifications of ratios. There are different ratios. We are just going through the different classes, different types of ratios. First classification is traditional classification. These ratios are also called statement ratios because we are classifying based on the financial statements. It is also called structural ratios. Structural ratio. The important traditional ratios are balance sheet ratio. Balance sheet ratio is also called position statement ratio. Second one is profit or loss account ratio. Profit or loss ratios. And third one, interstatement ratios. Interstatement means we are using the details of both profit or loss account and balance sheet. Okay. In balance sheet ratio, we are comparing, for example, current asset and current liability. Both items are from balance sheet. In profit or loss account ratio, we are comparing sales with gross profit. Both are coming in profit or loss account. In interstatement ratio, we are taking figure of both profit or loss account and balance sheet. For example, we can compare the ratio of sales with total assets. Okay, interstatement ratios are also called mixed ratios, combined ratios, composite ratios, etc. Okay, this is first classification. Second classification is based on importance or significance. Here this classification is based on whether we are using ROI, return on investment, or not. If we are making analysis based on ROI, return on investment, such ratios are called primary ratios. If we do not use such ROI, such ratios are called secondary ratios. For example, simply we are comparing between current asset and total assets. No ROI, no return on investment is taken here. It is called secondary ratio. If you are comparing with the return and sales, then it is called primary ratio. Okay. Then the next classification is according to the test or function or nature of test. The classification includes, this is the main classification, it includes first one, liquidity ratios. Liquidity ratios are also called short-term solvency ratios. It identifies the short-term solvency position of the company. That is why it is called liquidity ratios. Then second, leverage ratios. Leverage ratios are also called long-term solvency ratios. It identifies the long-term solvency position of the company. Then activity ratios. Activity ratios are also called turnover ratios. It compares the turnover of stock, debtors, receivables, etc. Then profitability ratios. Profitability ratios are the ratios that identify the profitability of the company. Then market test ratios. Market test ratios are the ratios that test the market, that is market test ratio. These ratios are done by outsiders, not by the company. All the ratios are done by management accountant or inside by the company itself. But at the same time, market test ratios are different, that it is done by, these ratios are used by investors, outsiders of the company, by taking data from the market. The first ratio is liquidity ratios. Liquidity ratios are also called short-term solvency ratios. It measures the capacity to meet short-term liabilities out of the short-term resources. Short-term current liabilities, current asset ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് മീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുമോ ഇല്ലയോ. That is, it tests the relation between short-term assets and short-term liabilities. Okay. Whereas leverage ratios or long-term solvency ratios, it analyzes the long-term solvency position of the company. Whether the company can make payment of long-term debt, whether it has the ability to repay debentures or bonds, etc. Okay, then activity ratios or turnover ratios. These ratios are used to identify how effectively the firm's resources are used. The effectiveness with which the resources, debtors, stock, raw materials, all these are used by the firm is analyzed using activity ratios. Then profitability ratio. we know it is the ratio used to identify the operating efficiency, profitability of the company. Then market test ratios, as we have mentioned, it is to evaluate the stocks and shares traded in the stock market by a company. Okay, this is regarding the classification of ratios. Okay, thank you.